Hi everyone, it's Jessie Tett again. I'm here at the Abbey of the Genesee, and I thought it was a beautiful day to share another nature reflection. For those who might be stuck inside or, not able to be somewhere in nature so beautiful, I'm here and I'm going to walk along and share a poem with you that I really like by Mary Oliver. So hopefully you like it, and thanks for joining. It's a beautiful sunny day today, and the book that I'll be reading from is called Why I Wake Early by Mary Oliver. It's a little windy today, so hopefully everyone can hear okay. It's beautiful and sunny. So the poem that I'll be reading is called Snow Geese, and I thought it was appropriate because there are often geese around here in the fields surrounding the Abbey. So here is Snow Geese by Mary Oliver. Oh, to love what is lovely and will not last. What a task to ask of anything or anyone. Yet it is ours, and not by the century or the year, but by the hours. One fall day I heard above me, and above the sting of the wind, a sound I did not know, and my look shot upward. It was a flock of snow geese, winging it, faster than the ones we usually see, and, being the color of the snow, catching the sun. So they were, in part at least, golden. I held my breath, as we do sometimes, to stop time when something wonderful has touched us. As with a match which is lit and bright, but does not hurt in the common way, but delightfully, as if delight were the most serious thing you ever felt. And the geese flew on. I have never seen them again. Maybe I will, someday, somewhere. Maybe I won't. It doesn't matter. What matters is that when I saw them as through the veil, secretly, joyfully, clearly.